Hi everyone! In this video, we will be making the Berryfest cake. To start, the cake gets filled with strawberry filling, and then base iced in cream cheese icing. Using a number 22 star tip, add a shell border. Next, take a piping bag of melted truffle and add your drizzle from the top edge of the cake. Using a roast stick or the tip of a small spatula, mark the top of the cake into 4 even quadrants. Starting from the center, pipe shell border lines over your markings. The top border will be added in a moment once the drizzle has dried. In the meantime, prepare the blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries by first washing in Sterilox and allowing to dry. Hand toss each of the berries with neutral fruit glaze to coat them evenly. With the truffle dried, we can now add a top shell border. Finally, add the glazed berries to each quadrant. And now our Berryfest cake is complete.